I'm back. Pick him out, cut it off, I'm back now. Take a minute, I'm back. Take a minute, I'm back. Pick him out, cut it off, I'm back. Tell me about the things that I missed out on. Been a little while since I walked this town.
Is ready. Registration can call this in for you. You just have to be in the room to receive the luggage, okay?
Okay.
There you are.
Came back, good eye to see you. I heard you got someone new. I'm taking you from that guy. Came back to tell you you're mine. Might see my face on the news if we'll be fighting for you. I'm taking you from that guy. Came back to tell you you're mine. You're my favorite view. I can do anything for you. Make you smile when you're feeling blue. Take a hit if you need me to. Can I put my hands on you?
왜 그러나? 오, 너무 좋네. 서비스 딱 들어오고 이거 좋다.
So usually we go to San Francisco for Christmas, and last year we went to San Francisco with Ellie, and that was really fun. But this year I can't fly, so. Huh?
찍고 있어?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Good morning. It's my second day. Ooh, 비행기.
I'll be your guide. I'll be your guide. Oh, I will be your guide. Admit that you would like to get to know me better, boy. And my secret, don't mind if you tell yours tonight. We'll get on. Why? I'll show you that you never see. Just leave it in your dream. I will be your guide. Come just take my hand, darling. Press me. Oh, you'll be free tonight.
제일 뭐 마실 거야? Don't know.
Just funny to wear a swimsuit with a mask. Hi guys, we are heading out for dinner. We are going to SW Steakhouse in Wynn, just downstairs, so just close by. We have reservations at 5:30, and maybe I should just do like an OOTD. So the top I'm wearing, this is the old Uniqlo, and this is men, size M, and I'm wearing Aritzia pants, just a dress pants, and then I'm wearing this coat by Maximara, and yeah, just simple. And I'm wearing a heel. Match my outfit.
We're here at the SW, no. Oh yeah, I'll tell you a story later. We're at the lake house.
어떤 맛인가요?
근데 버섯도 맛있어.
It's getting brighter.
Had a perfect picture in my head with you in the most beautiful dress. I look happy as ever. How did I let you go again? Now I'm standing alone in the rain.
Hi guys, I'm here at the 7 Magic Mountains. See behind me. How pretty are they? It's kind of cold. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's really cold. Hi people.
Don't mind if you day yours tonight. We'll get on. Why I'll show you that you never see. Just baby, your dream. I will be your guide. Come just take my hand, darling, press me. Oh, you'll be free tonight. I'll let the music move you tonight.
조심해. 천천히. 그러니까 어떻게 나와? 닦고 있어?
아니 저기 엄청 큰 데가 있어.
라면 먹으면 좋겠다.
근데 높게 안 날리네.
먹었으면 좋았다.
Hate that I'm singing this song. I hate that I had to be strong. Hate that you're gone. I hate all my flaws. Hate that you love someone else. Hate everything. Just hate everything.
Yes, I woke up at 7 and then went to get coffee at 7:30. And I got ready and it's still, oh, it's almost 10. It's kind of gray outside. There's no sun today, but it's okay. I don't know if I like my hair today, but the color is coming together, so which is good. Yeah, so not much of a plan today, but going to a Japanese restaurant at 5:30 for Christmas dinner. I mean Christmas Eve dinner. And yeah, that's it. And I'm leaving tomorrow. When I leave, I need to pack, repack, wash my stuff, repack, and then leave, head to Korea. That's our plan.
For a century of lonely nights, waiting for someone to release me. You're licking your lips and moving kisses my way. That don't mean I'm gonna give it away, baby, 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 baby. My body saying let's go, but my heart is saying no. My body saying let's go, but my heart is saying no. If you wanna be with me, baby, there's no price to pay. My body saying let's go, but my heart is saying no, no. If you wanna be with me, my body saying let's go. I'm a genie in a bottle, but my heart is saying no. If you wanna be with me, my body saying let's go. You gotta make a big impression. You gotta like what you do.
I'm at Suma for dinner. This is a Japanese restaurant, and like you can see in the back, it's really nice sushi izakaya. I don't know, the music, I might get caught from it, so I'll just show you around.
Tell me about the days that I missed out. Been a little while since I walked this time. Still up on you with my mind head down. Kinda let it fly in your heart this time. Don't know what I see looking in your eye. All I wanna do is to make you smile. Tell me how you feel, it's about that I ever made a move for you. Came back, good eye to see you. I heard you got someone new. I'm taking you from that guy. Came back to tell you you're mine. Might see my face on the news. If we'll be fighting for you. I'm taking you from that guy. Came back to tell you you're mine. So you've been in a bag. So you've been in a bag. Kicking out good enough, I'm back now. So you've been in a bag. So you've been in a bag.
So this top's from Cause. I think they still have it, so I might link it down below. And then this one is so crinkly. Look what happened, because I was sitting at dinner. So yeah, it's from Aritzia though. It's like a dress pants. Ugh, it's so ugly. It was really nice when I was wearing it out. Yeah, so I'm wearing all ivory. It's not white. It's a little bit. There's like a drop of yellow hint to it. So it's cream actually. Sorry, not ivory. Yeah, cream. So it looks nice. So yeah, that's it. And I was just wearing boots, but this boots is from some girl made it in Korea, so she doesn't sell it anymore. I think she sold it like 2 years ago. So that's my outfit, and I just got home, and I'm gonna clean up and do all that. Just wanted to film this before I head inside. I did wash my hands in. I just wanted to film this before.
Things that I remember still make me wonder. What if you were still here with me? I say that I wish you the very best, but I can't get over you.